Pacifica. Talofa. In this video, we will look back at Throwback Thursday artwork done prior to recording video for this channel. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe now for more videos on how to draw, paint, and create art. This is a painting of Makana Mountain on Kauai, Hawaii. The art media was oil painting on canvas that measured 10 inches by 8 inches. This painting was commissioned by a visitor to the island as a gift to return home with. Makana Mountain is also referred to as Balihai because of the 1958 film titled South Pacific. The painting was composed looking from the point of view of Hanalei Bay at sunset. The initial colors and shapes for the sky and mountain were roughed in and then blended. The clouds and detail on the water were also done this way, starting with the initial colors, then blending them to soften the edges. To finish the painting, palm trees were added in the foreground. This painting took several sessions over the course of a few days in the year 2003. As I make new videos, I want to share them with you, so subscribe now. Also comment, like, and check out some of the other content on our channel.